G'day, I'm Charles and today I'm presenting to you the Woodfast Universal Lathe Stand. Woodfast offers woodworkers like you reliable, high-performance woodworking at an affordable price. This universal lathe stand offers many key features including adjustable height to suit your needs, can also adjust internally width-wise, and has rubber feet to reduce vibration. This universal wood lathe stand is perfect for enthusiasts, educators, and pro wood turners alike. Let me go through some of the features. So with a width of up to 900 millimeters, it can accommodate almost any lathe, adjustable holes, so you can adjust your height to suit your needs, 6 millimeter solid plate with adjustable slots, adjustable rubber feet, This stand also offers an extendable stand to accommodate your larger lathes. Get in to see your Woodfast dealer today or visit us at woodfastmachinery.com.au. Thanks for watching and see you in the workshop.